Recognizing Dr. Virappan's expertise, IAPMO, North America's premier plumbing and mechanical products certification agency, selected him as one of their esteemed master trainers. His profound knowledge and commitment to the industry has made him a respected figure in this field. I welcome you, sir, to enlighten us on the significance of water management in today's world.
Sir, good afternoon to everyone. I'm not going to do any presentation here and all. Maybe formal presentation it will be there, but I'm going to take you through a case study, 2-3 case studies and even practical examples. Unless I hear from you that good afternoon to everyone. Not good afternoon to everyone. Why I'm saying this, all the people has to come inside the hall. Okay. See, my topic is being selected as this, smart dive into smart water management, maximize the potential of water resources. I'm not going to talk to you anything new. Okay, before getting into the topic, just carefully watch this video clip, which I'm going to show it to you. Varghese sir, just can you, just see this clip and then we'll move on to that, our presentation.
L'eau est un bien trop précieux pour être gaspillée.
So let's have that, attitude now to move on to our slide. When a small child, able to contain water, why not we? See, I will not tell you that awareness is not there. Awareness are there. Everywhere awareness are there now. Government of India has come forward to take this initiative as water conservation or, finding out the alternate water resources from various angles. So, my flow of presentation will be like this. Introduction, message from the famous architect, present our future scenario, need for advanced wastewater treatment to find out alternate resources, water management plan, a case study which will be able to, I will able to address you in entire way how much we are saving water through alternate resources and takeaways, and finally India's commitment towards net zero emissions. Just carefully watch this slide. Once you carry your own water, you will learn the value of every drop. With this, this is a message from the architect is, every day when some engineer pitching in his office, lot of changes are coming. Every day materials are coming, particularly with respect to plumbing, fire, electrical, lot of items are every day, coming in. But how to utilize it, how to make it happen is a question of the, engineer to perform. That's what he says, that it is a must learning for each and every architect engineer, and I can assure you that if architect engineers know about services and more about structures, they will be able to design buildings better. The present scenario, what is present scenario here? A dry future which we are now seeing in. See, more than scenario and all, everybody knows that we are where we are going to land up. But before landing up to that particular, scenario, what we need to do is a question. Just few slides for you. In fact, this is a session after the lunch, and before lunch, Sir Prakash has taken a wonderful session. I hope I will able to, join you in this session, and I'll take the audience through the water saving process. See, this is the scenario here. There is going to be a fight between man to man, city to city, state to state, country to country. In fact, third World War. You just see here today and before how people are enjoying it, and future it is going to be like this. Another slide for you, today and before, and by 2025 what is going to happen. See this transition again, the another slide which depicts the 2025 and beyond. And also you have seen a lot of papers that so many scarcity run out of water after 50, 17 years. Dam levels decrease rapidly. City bracing for day zero. And you can see that water scarcity is one of the serious concern in the country now. And you can see the last line, a report by Niti Aayog government think tank said that if methods for water conservation in India were not adopted, another 20 cities including Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad would run out of groundwater in the next 5 years. So what's the solution? We need to find out alternate water resources. Is it rocket science? Audience has to respond. Today we had a meal. Now how much water it is being consumed? Can anyone tell me? See, let us have an interaction session. How much water is being consumed during the lunch? Anyone can tell me? Sir? Half liter. Sir says half liter. I am giving one small tip to you. See, again, water is not the consumption of water, what you are doing it. There is another form of water. That's a virtual form of water. For the entire meal, roughly I can say 3,000 to 4,000 liters of water gone into the meal now today, whatever you have, each person. If you go, if you take the chicken, if you take the rice, if you take the ice cream, everything is, bound to have a water consumption. That is during the manufacturing stage or whatever it is. Madam, can you come forward, madam? Can you show your mobile? Show the mobile. Show the mobile to the audience. How much water this is being consumed? How much water? 14,000 to 15,000 liters of water is being spent for producing one mobile phone. Are you aware of it? So that is the virtual consumption of water every day. If you take a shirt, 4,000 liters of water. If you take anything you take, water is being consumed. That is what Government of India, thank you madam, Government of India and other agencies are working, particularly Indian Plumbing Association, ISHRE, Fire Safety Association of India, IGBC, Indian Green Building Council are working together to save this water from the manufacturing stage itself. We are going to all the manufacturers, including pipe manufacturers, all the manufacturers to reduce how the water can be reduced virtually, and thereby your water demand will become less. Okay, this is some hydrological cycle. This purpose of slide I just put this where you are going to get. See the sources of water: surface water, lakes, rivers, well water, rain water. Some areas borewell water is banned, but some of the areas they are allowing with the permission. So this water, which water we are using at home? Which water we are using at home? I always inform my audience or even the students when I teach, always come from your home. Home may be single house, a gated community, and you will stay in some big apartments, all those things. Always, what is the source of water there? Sir? Not rainwater. You will be normally taking from the municipal water or something like that you will take. But there are waters available. Please make use of it. We need to make use of all those water, at least not for the domestic, at least drinking purpose, at least for the other purposes we need to use now. That is the condition, and that is why India is at the crisis now. Where is the sources coming? A little go fast because of the time constraint. Major source: toilets, bathroom, canteen, hand wash. In case of industrial, the wastewater is also contributed by cooling water and blow down, boiler blow down. This is the sources of wastewater. I'm just giving you a little brief here, picturized review. And all this water has to be taken out separately and to be treated. Here I am not going to talk about method of treatment. The point is, which is important here, it is this treated water finally coming and storing it. This water can be used for all the applications what we have discussed earlier, including bathing. That is possible. And that is why I'm going to give you a case study on that, where we have done some homework. Various process. Finally, this is important. Treated water for reuse is important.